Maybe you have this cool video on your PC and you love to get an eye-catching image from it, but you do not know how you are going to do it. Listen, it's very simple and I'm going to show you how. For this tutorial, we are going to use the Films and TV application which comes pre-installed with any Windows PC. This is the video I would be working with. It's actually a drone shot of a building here in Ghana. With your video you want to take the image from ready, let's get to work. Find and locate where your video is saved on your PC. Now for some people, when they double click on the video, it would open the video in the Films and TV application because that is their default application for watching videos. But for me, my default application for playing videos is the media player Windows has to offer. So what I will do is right click on the video. Then in the options menu, I would move my mouse pointer to where we have open with to open this sort of drop down menu. Then select Films and TV. With the video opened and playing in Films and TV application, you just have to pause the video, then move to the bottom right corner of the application to where we have the pencil icon and click on it. Clicking on the pencil icon will sort of open another options menu and choose the last option, which is Save Photo from Video. Clicking on this would open the video in our Photos application, which also comes pre-installed with Microsoft. Next, all you want to do is play the video to where we want to take the image from. So I will play through the video and choose a perfect spot to take my photo. When you find the perfect spot, just click on Save this frame to open the File Explorer. Select where you want to save the photo. You can change the name if you want to do so and hit Save. So now you can close the Photos and Films and TV application. Next, open the File Explorer and move to where you saved the photo. Locate the photo and open it. Now you can see the photo we saved from the video. Now in this picture, you can see there's a slight distance between the drone and the building. So what I will do is just make some little adjustments to the photo. So I'll move to the top center of the Photos application and select the first option, which is the Edit Image option. Next, what I will do is just scroll up on my mouse scroll wheel to zoom into the image to bring it closer. Also, I can just left click on the image and drag the mouse about to position my image well. I will also move to the adjustment options to adjust the image to suit my taste. When you are done, you can just click on the Save Copy to create a copy of the image. But for me, I will just click on the drop-down menu and select Save to override the original image I got from the video. Now you can see what the image looks like after editing it. If you watch the video to this point, kindly like and subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so to get notified when release a new tech tutorial video. If you have BlueStacks installed on your PC and you are connected to the internet, you see that when you open the BlueStacks application, ads are rolled out at the left side of the application. If you want to know how to remove those ads, I will place that video on the end cards so that you can check it out. Thanks for watching and see you next time.